Hello? Oh, hey, Alan, how's your day going? My day was fine. Anyway, the Nintendo Ninjas are coming to my house? Alright then, I'll see you later. Anyway, welcome to Dax009's guide on how to wipe your hard drive. I am so sorry, Western Digital. First thing you should do is put it in an external drive enclosure right here, and just try to short circuit it out so they don't know the files because it won't power on. And then proceed to realize that the hard drive wasn't even plugged in. It's been 3 hours. Wait, it's not even plugged in? Second off, you could also hide it somewhere unsuspecting, like a microwave. This method only applies if you don't have roommates and you've never drunk a day in your life. Here's a demonstration of what happens if you do have roommates. I need some night. Let me just... Remember the Nokia 3310? People said it would never break. See, look, this is a Nokia phone, and you think it won't break this? It should break that, and I guarantee you it will. That didn't go as planned. Let's see who will win in the drop test. This hunky Dell Latitude laptop, or this weak Western Digital hard drive. Let's see. I guess the hard drive wins that one. My friend told me, why not just wipe the hard drive? So I will. So you just gotta get your cleaning product. I don't actually have enough, so I guess I'll just have to do what we have in the bathroom. I just got my friend's other text. Apparently I'm supposed to wipe it with a computer, so... here we go again. My friend just clarified. Apparently you're supposed to format it with your computer with a program. So let me just plug the drive in. And I downloaded a program online to see how to erase it. I guess we'll press it. What the? Wait, no, don't, no. This is all your fault. You can also run it over with a car. My jokes are getting unfunnier by the video. At this point, I might as well just throw it at a tree. I heard that if you drop a hard drive while it's moving, it'll break and get your files corrupted and stuff, which is what we need. So let's just do this. I hope that worked. Now for the grand finale. Huh? It's not showing up. So, it doesn't work anymore. Woo! But wait, what if your parents' will was on that hard drive or something? Well, we have a backup plan. And that, my friends, is the best way to get disowned. I mean, the best way to wipe your hard drive. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. I promise I'll do more gaming videos. I just wanted to make this because I had this thought in my head at like 12 a.m. yesterday. And I'll see you soon. Bye.